Good morning, Trade for Fun. Thank you very much for your test indicator with the arrows. I'd like to help a little bit by giving you some ideas as well for your screen snapshot. If we, first of all, we want to remove all this, so we'll just go to properties and we'll remove them, and we'll just put none in, so this should remove all these. And of course we don't need the lines on the chart, and of course we need none background here, so that we got a clear screen. Okay, we can see all the arrows and the zeros. I gather you later put in the cores and the baskets, but this looks pretty neat. And we can also, I suppose, properties, I haven't tested this, disable alert once it's hit. That might help us get rid of the alert later on if you don't need it. If you want it on, we'll leave it on. And we have a clear screen. Now the other thing to look at is we'll put in an indicator, this one, and I want to show you something. It's probably known by all, but a couple might find it interesting. We'll put in the multi-pair, and I'll just put it in. And this is a way of even clearing your screen up a little bit more. We'll go back to properties and we'll put the background as none, and therefore that helps the screen a little bit. And I just thought this might help you in the thing. In comments, there was another part tying these into the great GMT time. I think that's a pretty good comment. It's very relevant, as all brokers are timed into different times. You may find that helpful if later in you can time these into the all this chart into the great GMT time. It would help a lot of people and sort of give some consistency between brokers, which do alter the indicators, time frames and prices. Of course, this indicator you can alter it to any one you want, as everyone knows. This is just to give you some ideas. I think this area can be tightened up and done a little bit better with the 3-bar breakout that I'm asking someone to look at. Using the 3 bars and also including the 4-bar, the 48 setting on the square, or in other words, use a square and use the signals of the square and the 48 for the highest high, lowest low. Okay, the multi-bar, this is just to give you some extra ideas. In the edit, you can just put in and cross this out and type in what if you wanted the euro. We'll do it here. It should be caps. And I just put that one there just to show you other people. We then took that out and put the 3 in here. Okay, later on this particular indicator we can tie up using the square, and the square here, the 48 setting, and which will show the highest high maximum. You could put the pips away from the highest high and the lowest low once again in this area here. On using the 48, which seems to be a pretty good point, and here we got that, and pretty well. We put the I don't know if these are yesterday. These are Friday's arrows or today's arrows, but it looks pretty good. Thank you very much, Paul. I hope this helps you clean your screen up if you want and make it look. Get rid of those little arrows. Okay, bye for now from Brian. Thank you once again. God bless you.